How to stop unknown calls on emo. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this Guiding Studio. So if you're fed up with the unknown calls and you just want to block all the spam calls on your emo account, then here's the effective guide that you can do. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to stop all unknown calls or spam calls, all you have to do is just need to open up the emo from your phone, and from the emo homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the top left, and from the profile, go and tap on security and privacy, and inside this one, you just need to scroll down a little bit from here, and under the privacy, you'll get to see the first option, call. You can go and tap on this, and you'll get to see it's selected with the everyone. That means everyone can call you, but if you select my contact and only those contacts that are saved on your device, they can call you on emo. Otherwise, no one can call you. And this will help you to prevent all the unknown and spam calls on your emo account. And this is how you can block all the unknown and spam calls on your device. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.